Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making my chicken fingers, baked chicken fingers with lemon, butter and Parmesan. So this is all the ingredients. I have the 16 ounces of chicken fingers. Actually that is chicken tenderloin. But they also call that chicken fingers. But anyway, let's get started. First we have to marinate the chicken for 30 minutes before we bake it. Okay, this is the soy sauce. And this is the butter. It's a chicken powder. And have a teaspoon of sugar. And now 1 big lemon. This is a kid's favorite, even me. I always buy chicken fingers at the grocery store. Have this food also. They're selling also food. I always order that when I see it. Okay, so now let's add 1/2 teaspoon of onions, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, and also cumin, just 1/2 teaspoon. And a dash of black pepper, maybe 1/8 teaspoon. And 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. Now we'll mix it up. So now let's put this one in the fridge for a while. Okay, let's make a sauce for that fingers. But you can also use ranch for dip for the chicken. This is, I make my own. So this is a mayonnaise and a ketchup, lemon and sugar. This is so simple sauce. Okay, we're gonna need one cup of 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, I use a Japanese mayonnaise can always use a regular mayonnaise. I just want to get rid of this. There we go. Yeah, put that here. The lemon. Just one half teaspoon of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of ketchup. You all done now. Just mix it. Oh, I forgot the salt. Hold on. Just 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or you can always adjust your sodium. You can put like 1/2 teaspoon. If the sugar is not enough, you can go ahead and add another 1/2 teaspoon. If this is really sour for you. You can also use salsa for your sauce and also ketchup. Simple. Okie dokie. Okay, now it's time to bake the chicken. So this is like 3 ounces of Parmesan. I'm going to place the chicken here. First, I'm going to spread out. That way the chicken will not stick in there. Now we need to sprinkle the Parmesan. We can do both sides. We're gonna sprinkle on both sides. While you're doing this, preheat your oven 400 degrees and we'll bake this one for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Parmesan won't come out. Hold on. I'm going to spray on the top. I'm going to spray everything. And then you can add more parsley on top if you want. This is optional, but I want more like have green on top. Alright, let's bake it. Alright guys, here's the finish of my baked chicken fingers with lemon, butter, and Parmesan. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie, see ya.